Your phone isn't just for checking your balance anymore. It can be your entire trading desk. If you want to move within the market, you need a platform that is fast, intuitive, and powerful enough to do the things that you need it to do. In this video, I'm going to be pulling back the curtain on the PE Prime app. You're just minutes away from turning your phone into the ultimate trading terminal. So let's unlock the app. So as you can see, guys, we are currently on the home page for PU Prime, and as you can see, it's a pretty clear, clean app, right? It's one of my favorites, in fact. So on the home page, you have everything that's quite customizable. You've got your watch list, you've got your crypto, you've got the Forex, you've got commodities, indices, metals, all of these things that you can actually customize yourself. You've obviously got your trading page, which is over here. Now, this is a Bitcoin trade that I put on earlier, and I'll again show you quickly how that works in a minute. You've obviously got the Discover page, and we're going to run through all of this. Right now, I just want to show you the watch list and how you can customize it to be perfect for you, right? So if I want to add a symbol here, all I have to do is then go add symbols, and then you just type in your instrument, right? Obviously it's got the popular there, but if I just want to add Bitcoin, BTC, USD, it's the first one that comes up. We're going to go ahead, click that, right? Then it's going to show you basically the trading page that is going on there, but we're just going to go back. I've added it to the symbols, and you can see right here, Bitcoin has popped up as a favorite on my watch list. Super easy. So again, we're just going to head back into Bitcoin, and I'm just going to show you how to put an alert on. In the bottom left of there, you just click the bell and you click add alert, right? So for this particular one, I'm going to have when price rises above it. Obviously you can have it falls to, you can have 1 day rise exceeds or 1 day fall exceeds, right? But we're just going to keep it as price rises above, right? And I'm just going to set this to 100,000, right? 100,000. And basically this is going to give me a notification once only. You can obviously have it once every 24 hours or every time. I'm just going to have it set to once only because that's all I need to know. Our sponsor today is helping people scale their privacy online. Now, if you're trying to automate your business online, then you are going to need a proxy. Proxy for You is the best and by far the most reasonable proxy provider out there in the market today. You get fast, reliable proxies with unlimited bandwidth. Whether you're scraping bots or just browsing, it is perfect for you. Go to Proxy for You today with all the links that you need in the description below. What do you say? Let's get back to the video. So once you've done that, click add alert and you'll have your very own alert that's going to tell you when price rises above 100,000. Super easy. Now, again, another thing, you obviously have the trading terminal. And again, if you want to put on a trade, it's super easy to do so. So here we are again on the trading page. And as you can see, if I want to put a trade on, super easy, market, fill at the price market. If I want to put a sell on, for example, you know, you just click sell. I'm going to set it at the market rather than at a limit and a stop loss. And then obviously, in terms of this, I'm going to have it set to USD because I can set the percentage risk that I'm willing to put on. And for this example, I'm just going to put on 1%, right? Just going to stick it there at 1% and I'm going to take a sell. So my take profit, I'm going to put at 90,000 and my stop loss is just going to go at 100,000, right? So you can see in this example, price is currently sitting at around $94,200. Which is a Bitcoin to the US dollar, that's how much it's worth. And then once I'm happy with this, all I need to do is just click sell, click confirm, and off you go. So then at this point, I've got 2 open trades. I've got 1 buy trade and 1 sell trade. It's that simple. If I want to take profit or anything on this, you know, you can change your take profit, you can change your stop loss, you can close, you can partially close, which is where you take some off the table. And then obviously you can just click close properly, click confirm, and then take profits, take losses, whatever it is, right? But I know with this trade, I'm risking 1%, so happy days. Then obviously if you head over to Discover, you have a whole new world waiting for you. You've got your copy trading. Now this is one of my favorites, right? You can see most copied, 97% win rate. Okay, you head over to this one, you have an 89% win rate, and it just keeps on going. You've got your low risk stable return, you've got your high win rate, and obviously your highest annual return. So a few different ones that you can look at. Now it's quite easy to do that. You just click on them, then you can click copy, right? It shows you all their stats, everything that you'll need to see, what pairs that they trade. It basically shows everything. So you can see with this guy, trading stats, he's taken a total of 388 trades, right? And he has a win rate of 73.9%. Now, that is very good. And just so you can see, his symbol is gold, or he trades Ethereum against the US dollar. Either way, very good returns. Then obviously you have your promo page. So 100% deposit bonus. That's an ongoing one. Black Friday copy trading. There's NFP, first deposit cashbacks, max catch rebates, and refer friends. These are all promotions that you can honestly take advantage of. If you are on the PU Prime app and you're not taking advantage of a single one of these, you need to go back and you need to take advantage of them. And then obviously on the profile page, this is where you can access a live chat. You can switch your accounts, right? So if you need help, there's a little headphone button at the top. You click that and you can get involved with the live chat. So super easy to use, right? And then obviously you have your settings up here where you can change your themes, change your accounts, change whatever you need to change. It's all very easy and it is a fantastic app to use. So as you can see guys, the PU Prime app is super customizable. It can literally give you everything you need to get your trading up and running. It no longer needs to be something where you just look at the balance. You can actually have this as a trading terminal ready to go for you for your future. All the links you need to get involved are in the description below. So go ahead, click those, get signed up and get moving on your future. See you on the next video.